Hi planner friends, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today we are doing a plan with me in my Homebody, which is a dashboard layout. We're going to be using Free Spirit. I'm going to use the Faith accessory book as well as the Dream Seeker. Can you believe it's the last week of January? I mean, we're doing January 27th till February 2nd, so technically this coming up week is already February. Oh my gosh. Just yesterday we were saying Happy New Year, and just like 2 days ago we were setting up our planners for the new year. So I'm not sure when this went by. This month has been extremely busy socially for me, so maybe that's why, but I shouldn't be complaining because I am extremely blessed to have this many people who want to spend time with me and I can spend time with them. So it's really blessed, but at the same time I don't have the time to do the things that I want to do in my house and organize it fully before spring. Anyhow, that important section always becomes my subscriber section. So I'm going to make a quick checklist with my favorite checklist, which is the square one, because this pack comes with two. There's a circle and there's a square. I use my square one way more than I do my circle. For some reason, it's just the way it is. And then the errand part will become my video ideas. The to buy will become my to-do list, and then the meal plan will become video plans. So that's how I'm going to be planning a schedule for filming. Okay, something interesting I wanted to point out to you guys. So the Free Spirit book has a lot of monthly square boxes that are meant to cover up your months and make them decorative. Guess what? These actually fit perfectly under the date of the dashboard layout. This is kind of perfect that it fits like this. So if you're running out of your Homebody or you want to use a different sticker book, look for those monthly stickers. They will actually fit perfectly in your planner. Just like that. So I put the box down on every single day that a video is coming out, and the rest of the days is decorative and a to-do list of the things that I need to do in order to have a video released. Making videos, it's really a lot of work. I know that there's some videos on YouTube showing you step by step how they film, edit, voiceover, do all of that, and how much time it takes. So if you're interested in maybe starting yourself, find videos on YouTube and see how much really it takes to make it. And ever since I started filming, I have a new appreciation of all those people creating videos, because it is a lot of work. The planning part is a lot of fun, but then editing, voiceover, and all of that is a lot of tedious work. So I hope you guys will gain new appreciation just like I did once you start watching those videos. Okay, and if something doesn't fit, like I said, just cut it. I'm trying to reposition that breathe sticker because I really like it. And I'm just cutting off one of the sides of the flowers so it fits, and then I can repurpose that flower somewhere else. So even though this is a faith accessory pack, it still has a lot of stickers that are non-religious. If you wanted to go that way, you can still use it, and you can cover up religious things if you don't want them. But it's just beautiful. The colors are vibrant and beautiful, yet pastel-like, so it's very soft. I really do enjoy this accessory pack a lot. And I'm just gonna put that sticker because I want to do something else down there. And I found the sticker in purple saying Wonder Seeker, and soon after I'm gonna be replacing it to a different box, so you'll see what happens. And there's a sticker that says I want to be as free as the flowers, and it speaks to me. I love reconnecting with nature and just looking at spreads that remind me of softness and hope, I guess. Like the green color is like the color of hope almost, so it just makes me calm and happy, and it's so beautiful. So I'm just repositioning some stickers as always because I can't seem to put them straight on. Not sure what my problem is, but there has to be something, right? Do other YouTubers put stickers on straight? Do they have issues like me? I'm not sure. So there's 2 pages of those flowers in Free Spirit, and I'm just gonna be adding them all over the place, kind of making sure it looks good. And I found this quote saying you were made to bloom, and that goes with the whole flower section, so I also put that down. And I removed the Dream Seeker, and I'm gonna put it on Tuesday, but it's too big, so I'm gonna be working on cutting it because I don't want Thursday's date to be covered up. So I'm trying different positions, like putting it higher, putting it lower, but it's not working, so I am going to cut it to measure. And then you can use the bits and pieces. Since there's no words on it and it's just stars, I'm adding bits and pieces to the pages and using those scraps as well. Okay, here's the big questions. Have you guys taken advantage of the flash sale at the Happy Planner website? If you did, tell me what you bought. I'm so curious to see what you guys ended up getting from that sale. I mean, that sale had quite a few amazing deals. I know those huge sticker books, the mega sticker books, they were $16.99 each from original $50, so I think that's a huge discount. I myself bought quite a few books. I think I bought 9 10, 9 value books, 3 of the mega books, and 2 filler papers. So I bought quite a bit. And I was able to get additional 15% off of the entire order, which was so worth it to me, because normally these books are $29.99 or $19.99, and they were, some of them were $7.99, some of them were $11.99, and on top of it you got a discount of 15%. So out of, if it was $11.99, it was almost $170 off. So you were paying about $9.80 per book, I believe, something like that with that discount. It's just crazy value for those sticker books, because they're expensive, and those, I picked up most of the functional ones that I use over and over again. They had some monthly boxes, they had some colorful boxes number 2, which I actually never had. I don't know why I never had that book, so I ordered that one, and just a couple other several, like memory keeping, because I have one, I think. I don't have the other, and I don't really use it, so I'm gonna start using that and push myself. Now with the new closet unit on top of my desk with all of the stickers, they're so much easier to see. However, I do need to label them, so when I label them, it's gonna be much easier for me to post stickers as I'm planning to see where everything is. I put them into categories, but still, I don't think that's, I mean, I still have to pull all of the books to see what's in there. Okay, that's pretty much my whole spread, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys very, very soon. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much. For those who are not, please consider subscribing. I really would appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!